Yes guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm off to Huddersfield to get a Honda Civic tyre pass spoiler. This one's come up cheap, so I messaged the guy and thought I can get a bargain with it, and the guy sorted me out on price, so I'm not complaining at that. As you may or may not have seen, my EP2 is going back to stock, so I've sold my tyre pass seats off. I put the standard seats back in. The alloys are up for sale. If they're not already gone, just message me if you want them. I'm putting my standard alloys back on. The Mugen spoilers provisionally sold, and I bought a standard EP2 one, the rubbish little ones. I'll put a picture up on the screen. And one of the clips were broken, so I thought I'll leave the Mugen one on for a bit, and then this one popped up, so I thought I'll go grab this. So yeah, I'm on the way to Huddersfield to go get it now. It's in black, so I'll probably respray it, make it cosmic grey to fit on the car. Even though the black will look good, I prefer it all colour coded, and then obviously I'll sell the Mugen one off. So if any of you want any parts, let me know. I've got the induction kit. I'll put a picture on the screen if you don't know which one I've got. The alloys, door cards I've still got, but they're provisionally sold as well. But obviously it's first come first serve, so whoever comes and gets it, this is theirs. But yeah, I'll probably put some cinematic shots of me on the way there. On the way back, I'll probably put a video on the spoiler, and then I'll probably install it tomorrow or the day after. For these long journeys, a Red Bull is a must. At all times, the Red Bull. And I've got this one as well, different flavour.
It's like we're not together, but I wish happiness for you. I know we said forever, love don't always make it through. Sometimes even the good things get lost along the way. We opened up the same book but found a different page. Cause honestly, your loyalties, insecurities and priorities ain't the same. For harmony, it's the only thing I can say. I wish you
Just got the spoiler, it's right there, it's on the boot lid. Massive thank you to Aryan for the spoiler. He's going to sort me out with an exhaust as well in the near future. Right, so I'm on my way back home now, and I'll probably fit the spoiler tomorrow. I need to remove it off the boot lid. You can see a better version over there. I need to remove it off the boot lid, and then respray it grey, and I'll put it on. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow then. This is the spoiler, the EP3 one. It was connected to this boot lid. If you can see it, it was fully glued on. You can still see the glue marks on it. Here, there. I've took this one out, but it's still there. You can see it. It was quite hard to take off, but I've managed to take it off. I'm not going to respray it. I've not got the time today, so I'll quickly just fit it on. So you literally just take these out. Clip. Which is open top. And then if you do that closer, I've got a bolt in there, one in there, one in there and one over here. So I'm literally just gonna tear them out and then I'll take the spoiler back off. So I'll literally.
It's like we're not together, but I wish happiness for you. I know we said forever, love don't always make it through. Sometimes even the good things get lost along the way. We opened up the same book but found a different page. 'Cause honestly, your loyalties, insecurities and priorities ain't the same. For harmony, it's the only thing I can say. I wish you
in the next couple of days. Hopefully it should look a lot better. I obviously prefer the look of the Mugen one. Loud cars always, every time I try recording. But yeah, I think it looks okay. I prefer the Mugen one, but that was decent that. I don't mind actually. I think if I colour code it, it'll look even better. But the black matches the wheels, so it's not too bad. But yeah, make sure you like, guys, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
And every day is a lesson. In the now, like this ain't depression. And shaitan in my ear, like grab that, you can't lie, yeah, it's tempting. And heart of a soldier, what? Think I'm phased by riding.